After the heat of the streets and the grandeur of the palaces, Marrakech has one final secret to share. Its soul is green. Welcome to the Jardin Majorelle, an artist's masterpiece where the electric blue of the walls competes with the brilliant azure of the Moroccan sky. 40 years in the making, these gardens are a living collection of the world's most exotic flora, gathered from across 5 continents. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. In the center of the garden, the water lilies offer a moment of profound stillness. Here, the only sound is the rustle of the palms in the breeze. Hidden deep within the Medina lies Le Jardin Secret, a restored palace garden that follows the ancient rules of Islamic design. It is a charbagh, a 4-part garden representing the paradise of ancient texts where every path and every plant has a purpose. Water is the lifeblood here. It flows through ancient irrigation systems, a constant cooling presence in the desert heat. But the true heart of Marrakech is found behind the windowless walls of the Riad. To step inside is to leave the world behind. A Riad is a house of inward focus. Everything, the light, the life, the beauty is gathered around a central, open-air courtyard. Orange and lemon trees provide shade, while the song of captive bulbuls replaces the noise of the marketplace. The craftsmanship here is intimate. Intricate tiles and hand-carved plaster meant to be seen and touched by those who call this sanctuary home. Up on the terrace, the city feels like a distant dream. From here, you can watch the sunset turn the Medina into a city of gold. On the outskirts of the city, the Majorelle Gardens offer a different kind of scale, a vast basin of water that has reflected the sky since the 12th century. On a clear day, the snow-capped peaks of the Atlas Mountains frame the horizon, a reminder of the wild beauty that surrounds this oasis. Thousands of olive trees stretch toward the horizon, providing a quiet place for locals to escape the afternoon sun. Finally, we reach the Palmeraie, an ancient forest of over 100,000 palm trees planted when the city was born. As the day ends, the rhythm slows. The desert begins where the city ends, a timeless landscape that has remained unchanged for centuries. This is the magic of Marrakech, the ability to find total peace just steps away from total chaos. We have walked through the markets, explored the palaces, and found peace in the gardens. We have seen the heart, the mind, and the soul of the Red City. Marrakech is not just a destination, it is a feeling that stays with you long after you leave its ancient walls. Shukran and goodbye. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.